Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while we haven't spoken much about the Python 5 missiles and the latest happening with it. In today's video, we'll be running through the details of Python 5 and LCA Tejas related latest updates. Python 5 is currently the most capable air-to-air missile in Israel's inventory and one of the most advanced air-to-air missile in the world. It is a fifth generation air-to-air missile manufactured by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, and it is the newest member in the range of Python air-to-air missiles. Initially, the Python 5 missile was denied clearance to be fired from LCA Tejas even after successful integration, since it failed to clear the captive flight vibration stress trials. These tests are carried out to check whether vibrations and stress are within the design levels for a missile after it is integrated with the aircraft. Only after the missile is proven in captive flight trials, it can be fired from any aircraft. As per the latest update, we know that indigenously developed light combat aircraft Tejas has been cleared to carry the Python 5 missiles as part of its weapons package. Yes, Tejas recently added the capability of firing the Israel origin Python 5 air-to-air missile after successful tests that validated full operational capabilities. Another highlight to mention here is regarding the Global Link software-defined radio system, and Rafael Advanced Defense System recently enhanced the Python 5 missile with a network capability, enabling it to acquire targets from associate aircraft which are equipped with these Global Link software-defined radio system. India purchased at least 350 plus BNet software-defined radios from Israel, and these radios are used for the secure network-centric operations that can also be used to fire Python 5 equipped on other aircrafts. The BNet software-defined radios will ensure secure communication not just between fighters in the air, but also between fighters in the air and the ground installations. Not only with LCA Tejas, these Python 5 missiles can also be equipped on Mirage 2000 and Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets. Not sure if there has been any successful integration of these missiles with the recently inducted Dassault Rafale fighters. If we quickly see the general characteristics of Python 5, the length of these missiles is 310 cm. It has a diameter of 16 cm, and these missiles weigh around 105 kg. The range of these missiles are said to be greater than 20 km, and it can travel at a speed of Mach 4. These Python 5 missiles is said to have full spear launch ability, which means it can be launched at a target regardless of the target's location relative to the direction of the launching aircraft. It can lock onto targets after the launch. Python 5 missiles were also delivered along with the Spider systems to the Indian Air Force, and the Spider short range or medium range system is capable of engaging a wide range of targets, which includes attack helicopters, fighter aircrafts, bombers, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, and precision guided munitions. So that was a quick video on the latest happenings with the Python 5 air-to-air missile and LCA Tejas with regards to the Global Link software-defined radio. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.